Hey everyone, welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to uninstall WordPress from Bluehost. I'm now inside my Bluehost account and the website I want to delete is this one. Let's view it first. It shows a coming soon page. To uninstall this WordPress, click on Settings under your website. Go to Settings, scroll down to the bottom. As you can see, you can either delete content only, which means removing all your blog posts, pages, media like photos and comments, or delete the site permanently. If it is the primary website, you cannot delete it, or remove WordPress entirely, so you stop using WordPress with this website. I think the correct choice is removing WordPress entirely. Click on Remove WordPress, check this box and hit Remove WordPress. They are now removing my WordPress from my website. And I think now the uninstall was complete. And this is how to uninstall WordPress from Bluehost.